Hey all, Bridget Bartlett here with My Vision Agency, and today I want to show you how to create a tool that acts as a bridge between you and your clients when it comes to utilizing ChatGPT. A lot of times we create custom GPTs for our own business and for our clients, but if we want to share those to our clients or a team member, they need to have their own ChatGPT account. It makes it really hard to use these as a lead magnet. And I also want to show you how you can create a tool set like this of your custom GPTs and add it to your HighLevel account to use for your clients. This will increase the value of your HighLevel account, but it will also allow you to easily deliver custom GPTs to your client. In this example, what do you want the topic of your Facebook post caption to be about? So I'm just going to put in here motivation for starting a plumbing business and submit. Now you'll see that we do have the AI response, unlock your full potential and follow your dreams of becoming a successful plumber. Let the motivation for starting your own plumbing business drive you to achieve success. And you'll see that there are many, many tools that are available. And a lot of these are templates inside of your account when you create it. Now, the tool that I'm using is called FormWise. And if you go to myvisionagency.com/FormWise, you'll see the link to FormWise here, and you can actually create a free trial. And if you click this link here, it will take you to a complete playlist of FormWise training that I've done and also interviews with the founders of FormWise. And when you get into the actual dashboard of FormWise, you'll see all of the different tools and templates here that you can create. So if I want to take you into the back end of one of these tools, I can click here and you'll see that we have a basic form here. Now the form is going to ask the questions, and you can see all the different questions as I toggle through here. On the back end of the form, we have the prompt. So this is basically a workflow. So what happens when someone submits the form? You'll see the prompt that is being utilized here. Now, what's great about this is we can actually use the answers in the prompt to generate a really customized response. So in this example, you're an expert SaaS consultant specializing in Go High Level implementations for resellers. Based on the following input, should generate a set of tailored recommendations for how GHL can be used to automate workflows, improve client management, and drive results for the reseller-specific business niche. The inputs for this are the business niche, and you'll see this little tag here. You also see target audience, and you see that tag, business model, you see the business model tag, and so on. Now, if I go back here to the form, you'll see all of these questions have a tag. So you'll see here, the business niche, this is the business niche tag. Now you can rename this if you want to, but the goal is to create the form and then utilize the answers that they've given on the form inside of the prompt. So if I go to target audience here, you'll see again, we have the question ID, which is target audience. So if I take you back into the prompt again, you'll see all of those being used. You can choose your preferred model for OpenAI, and you can even add data sources here. So if you have files that share more information, then you can use that to pull in just like you could if you created your own custom GPT on ChatGPT. Now, you do have the capability to add web browsing, so it can look through Google to find information. You can also add web scraping. So if you want it to scrape a URL, you can add this functionality here. You can also provide AI with user's location and current date and time, which is the user's time zone. Once you get all of that set, of course, you want to just save your prompt. Now you have an area here where you can upload any documents, and you can see all of the documents available here. You can also customize your form. There are some themes here that you can choose from, or you can add your own theme. You can also track the different responses that you receive here in your form. And then you can even share this form using the link, or you can embed it into a website page. Inside of the settings, you can see that you can display it as a multi-step or a single page. So the multi-step is where it goes question by question, one at a time. And then the single page, it provides all of the questions on one page. You can use webhooks to send the data. So if one of your questions is, what is your email address? Then you can actually send that data to your HighLevel account or anywhere that you wanted to send it utilizing the webhooks. You can also show current active step. You can add the FormWise branding if you want to attach it to your affiliate link. You have the description here. If being used in a tool set, this description will be displayed. You can allow this to be embedded into specific websites, or you can even select a specific URL that you want to embed it in. And then you do have the option for chat mode. So chat mode allows you to talk with and change your response. So if you'd like that on this specific form, you can just toggle that on there. Now, when you've customized this, all you need to do is publish the tool. You can click here to embed it into a website page. Now, like I said, you can embed this into any website page, but I am going to show you how to embed this into a HighLevel page. So I'm going to go into the sites section. Let's just create a new funnel. We'll call this test, and let's create from blank. Go ahead and add a full width column here, and let's go ahead and duplicate this. This would be our footer, so let's just make this black for the sake of you being able to see the difference. Let's make this gray, and we'll make this white. Here, what we want to do is pull in a column, and we want to pull in the code element. We pull in the code element. You can click here to open the code, and you just want to paste that in there. Now, you'll see here that we have the height and the width. The width is 100% and the height is 700. So if we do need to adjust that, we can do that, but let's go ahead and preview and see what it looks like now. So I'm going to click on Preview Custom Codes, and you'll see the form has loaded up, but it does say something went wrong. Host is not allowed to access this form. So let's go back, and you'll see if we go to Settings, we want to allow the website to be embedded. So now it's been updated. Let's go back to the site. Let's save, and let's preview the site. So now you see we have embedded our form into our HighLevel website. Now, if you don't want that there, that is what's considered the branding. So you'd want to turn that off in the settings. Go to Settings, and then you would just turn off the FormWise branding. Now, if you go into the HighLevel portal, you will see that you can add this to a custom menu link, and you can give access to your HighLevel sub-accounts to your tool set. You can add your own OpenAI API so that it's utilizing the credits in your own OpenAI account. This is really important because you want to get those credits at cost. So FormWise allows you to connect your own OpenAI, and then you can also integrate your own HighLevel account. Now, when you integrate FormWise into your HighLevel account and it accesses all of your sub-accounts, you will be able to create a custom menu link and then add your tool set here to your sub-account. Now, in tomorrow's training, I'm going to show you how you can actually build one of these custom tools. We're going to go much more in depth on how to create this, but I do want to show you quickly how you can use the AI tool builder to quickly create a tool if you just literally have no idea what to create. So I just typed in here a smart form for GHL resellers to create a Facebook post that encourages their target client to create a free trial of their own white label brand. Now, I can go ahead and enhance this prompt if I just have this idea and I'm not really sure how to create great prompts. I just want to type in the idea and click Enhance Prompt. Now you can see that it's created the more advanced prompt, GHL Reseller Facebook Post Generator. This smart form will guide GHL resellers through a series of prompts to gather information about their white label brand, unique selling points, target client profile, and any special incentives for creating a free trial. Based on inputs, the tool will generate a compelling and engaging Facebook post specifically designed to attract the reseller's ideal audience and motivate them to sign up for a free trial. The generated post will include a strong call to action, highlight the key benefits of a white label solution, and be tailored to resonate with the selected target market. Users can input additional preferences such as tone, style, any brand requirements that will result in ready-to-use Facebook post optimization for conversion and brand promotion. Sounds great to me. I'm going to go ahead and click Generate Outline. Now you can see the outline that's been created. This is our prompt, and this is what FormWise has been telling us. Now, if we want to read through here and make any changes, we can just add those changes here, and then the bot will update the smart form. Now, we definitely want to make sure that this is the information that we actually want to gather and use to create this tool. Once we have fine-tuned this information, we want to click here to generate the tool. Okay, so the tool's been generated. Let's go ahead and click here to check it out. So it's actually created the tool for us. Now, this is the basic overview of FormWise. So tomorrow we'll definitely dive in deeper and create our own tool that we can use for our clients, or we can use for our own internal operations. Now, again, you can go to myvisionagency.com/FormWise. You can check out the other training that I've done, and you can go directly to FormWise. If you go to their pricing page, you can see the differences here in the different plans. If you have the Pro plan, it's just $99 a month. You'll get 10 tool sets, and a tool set is the combination of tools that I showed you here. All of these are considered one tool set. You get unlimited AI responses, access to the AI engines. You can create unlimited co-pilots and smart forms, powerful prompt chaining for advanced outputs, URL scraping. You basically get all of the great features here. The difference is that with the $199 plan, you have unlimited tool sets and 10 collaborators for your teams. You also get the native high-level integration, the advanced OpenAI settings for tailored AI performance, and web scraping for dynamic data. And then they do have an enterprise plan. So thank you all so much for joining me today, and I look forward to working with you in open office hours. Go make your vision a reality.